what you have at your fingertips when it comes to this. In this space, you have social media. And as I already said, it can be big, it can be scary, it can be a whirlwind. I mean, just 3 years ago, the world didn't even really know, and maybe 3 to 4 years ago, they didn't even know what TikTok was. And now it is a cultural phenomenon that has taken the world by storm. Most people search, I think there's a statistic somewhere that says people go to TikTok to search up things more than they go to Google now. They're going there to find information, to find different things. And so, as you can see, there are, I think, 15 right here of social media icons. And some of these I didn't even know prior to making this. So if you, like, for instance, you see that basketball, that is something called Dribble. That's something that is new to me. The BE is something called Behance. And so there are always new things coming out that you can take advantage of. You always hear the story, and shoot, even myself says, man, I wish I would have gotten on TikTok 4 years ago and tried to put something out. You never know where you could have been. If only I would have just picked up that camera and said, let me do something with it. And so these are tools at your disposal. These particular ones on the side that I want to highlight in particular, one is Instagram and Pinterest. These are like really great for visual storytelling. Instagram has come a long way from just the run-of-the-mill quotes and just a picture. I don't know if you all remember those days where people really were not using it like they did today. And so it can evoke so much engagement nowadays with all of the different tools that they have on there. TikTok, as I've said already, that is something that really is for the people who want to create storytelling. They want to create quick, get with the trends. And those are where a lot of these audiences are today. TikTok may have everyone from the run-of-the-mill college student, high school student, to maybe your grandma. You never know who is watching and how that can impact you in the long run. So give it a shot. And then really the biggest one for, especially in our academic spaces, is blogs. These are the ones where you can take and rework a paper that you just had for class. Even if you're a faculty or staff, if you want to rework something that you had in the past, if you want to put it out for the world to see, obviously, as we have learned in ODL, be sure to go through the proper channels for copyright and all of those different things when it comes to publishing, just in case so you don't get in trouble. If you're a student, you have less of those worries, but you never know. So be sure to check. But those are really good for continuing to tell the story of your academic narrative. Those are the places like she said, Substack, WriteAs, WordPress, and there are a multitude of ways that you can use other website builders to create a place for you to put your works on your academic papers. So you may be asking yourself the question, you have all of this stuff. How do I put this in a place where people can see it, they can interact with it, they can put it there? That goes into, oh, I forgot I put a cool animation on the page. Regarding social media, one of the do's that I had is to be authentic and allow your audience to connect to your real and relatable stories. Don't focus solely on self-promotion. Provide value, such as education, inspiration, entertainment to your audience.